MeghalayaPost.news. Kawai ni kilong kami bapau Baka Isih ke kong Patricia Mukhim kalami sakmat ban pensyai ba ahlor ke Kynnoh Himanta biswa sarma menteri rang Baka Isih Assam Patricia Ïaki hakini kiniat sungi baladam kumbat sukudeu hang ni Himanta biswa sarma ulong baru Meghalaya Isih Ïaki Nongjngohkai pertaina Assam henroi ulo Kynnoh bakidon katu kat ni kiriu sempang Kynnoh Ïaki Nongjngohkai bat kubur ke kong Patricia Mukhim ki balapan pau bakilong Patricia Ïaki Nongjngohkai na Assam utai menteri rang Baka Isih Assam ulong ru ke Assam kanya beteng ban burom ya ke kong Patricia Mukhim bat baki Nongjngohkai pertai ke Assam kidan ke jing sngojan ka baklan ya ke Shillong lengba kani ke jing pensyai ba ke kong Patricia Mukhim kalong bakalong ke ke babakla shibun bakat ubri ubadan hak kerdan ke bahe ban su Kynnoh kulmar kalong ru bah ke jing sngo ke jengka kibri kibawan se Shillong bandai kai sawari ki jupen jebo ya ke mei mariang bat pensyai ru bawatlah ke jing tho ki jongka kamsem lapan mi satya ya ke nu ke kerteng jong ke jela bat baka jingkran tu menteri rang Baka Isih Assam kalong ke babakla susu ke kong Patricia Mukhim kalau ongru baki beri kiwan kum kita ki Nongjngohkai pertai kim de satya ban lang ya ke kamra shet kat sebaki lain ngamar ke jingle jong wene arngut kakta ki weipan ki babun.
See, it is very unbecoming of a chief minister or any state to respond to a social media post or even an article written some time ago and to link all those together. Because I wrote an article called Meghalaya Can Do Without Maggi Noodle Tourism, because I really feel that anyone who comes to Shillong and does not spend even 1 rupee in any of the eating spaces and then drives in the morning, drives out by evening, doesn't leave behind anything, doesn't add to our economy. It actually only leave behind carbon footprints, which is not good for our state, and they add to the traffic jam. So the point is not to complain against tourists, but to complain against our own selves for not having a sustainable tourism policy as to how many footfalls we can have per day and whether we should allow people from all over to come and picnic in our spots, especially in our tourist destinations. That was all I said. I didn't mention any state, any particular type of people. So I think it's very wrong for a person holding that high position to respond, to a mob. Tourism is our lookout. It is our brief, our state's brief, our tourism department's brief, and they should consult stakeholders. And stakeholders doesn't mean only tour promoters. It means also ordinary citizens, because we all suffer the consequences. On Independence Day, some people were stuck in traffic jam at Maujrong for 4 hours. So we cannot have this kind of tourism. It's actually inviting crowds, and that's no longer tourism. So as far as border issues are concerned, the two states have to sit, dialogue, and come to some conclusion. We can't go on like this, and then we can't sort of hold people to ransom every time by blocking the highways. This is against any kind of norm, any kind of rule. I think what they need to be talking about is that no one has the right to block the highways. They have created a narrative that what I wrote was anti-Assam because of that one video where the person was not speaking in that language. I don't want to mention the name even. So, why should a whole community of people carry the weight of what 1 or 2 people do? Why? At best, what you can do is tell your people to behave more like tourists. Come here, spend quality time, and stay back for 1 or 2 days. Don't carry your kitchen wherever you go. So these are, nowadays social media, something makes an impression for a day, and after that people go and find other things to write about and to think about and to be angry about.
MeghalayaPost.news